Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last gun start, gotta tear the ground. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down.
Welcome back to another episode. Working on my Mercedes today. As you can see, it's a beautiful day out here. And I'm super stoked. Why? Because I fixed the windshield washing fluid. I had a big leak, and the leak was a pain in the butt, actually. Every time I tried to use the windshield wipers, there would be barely any fluid left. And wow, it just was leaking out the front. So I could tell that there was a small leak, but I could not figure out exactly where it was coming from. I've been working on it the last couple months, and I finally got some headway today. So if you can see some of the handiwork that I actually had to put in here. I didn't have to change the pump out, but I changed out a grommet. And today I actually had to take apart that assembly right there just to figure out where the issues were. And I was able to determine that one of the nipples, essentially from the washer pump, was not properly connected to the actual relay or for the hose. So in cleaning that up, I actually lost a part that actually fell in the engine, so I had to go to Advanced Auto Parts to pick that up. But after I put everything in, got everything running, which is beautiful. So now I actually can use windshield washing fluid. Some of the things that you actually take for granted, such as the ability to clean your windshield if a bird leaves you a surprise on your windshield, or if bugs actually come through, that's actually a pretty big deal, so you can see. So after months of not actually having that as an option, I couldn't really drive the car in the snow, just for the fact that with the salt and everything else, there was no way to clean the windshield. But now with that working, I was also able to get the headlight washers actually working too, which was a plus because I actually had one of those that actually jammed with the cold weather. So as you can see, they're actually right here. If I open this up, you can see that's where that's actually kept. And that's a pretty neat feature. Again, it's a luxury car, so you like little luxuries in life. So I'm happy I was able to get all that together. And well, as you can see, it's a beautiful day outside, so I can't wait to get inside. But man, it's great when you can work on the little things, get those things working to make your life just a little bit easier. It's all about conveniences, right? So happy to say I was able to put another convenience in place for today. And well, time for the next project. So I appreciate you tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next episode. All right, bye.